Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. I'm gonna do a quick fix for you guys. If you guys have a Ford Focus with a manual transmission and out of nowhere you guys get a no crank, no start, you guys don't even hear a click, I'm going to tell you guys what you guys should look for as far as the fix is concerned. All right, so here's basically what happens in this with this issue. You have a Ford Focus with a manual transmission. It was working fine. You park it and then you come back, you try to start it. Everything seems to work. Your radio will work, your dashboard will work, everything will work except that it won't start. You won't even hear a click. And this problem is not what you think is causing this problem. It's not the starter, it's not the battery, it's not the ground wire. I'm going to tell you guys what this problem is, and it's a very simple fix, and you can fix it immediately, and you can take it you can after you guys fix it. It's not a big problem to resolve, and this is what you're gonna look for. So this issue is the clutch pedal ignition lock switch. All right, it's under the steering wheel. It's very, very, very simple to replace. Normally there is a spring in the lock switch, and this is for all just the 5-speed manual owners that are having this issue. Normally what happens is this is a switch that is under the clutch. So basically this switch is kind of like a shorthand. Every time you put your clutch down, it makes a click, and it lets your computer know that your foot is on the clutch, even though you don't need your foot on the clutch. And if this switch goes bad, and this is a very, very common thing with Ford Focus and Ford Fiestas, where 5-speed manual Ford Focus, Ford Fiestas, where this the switch goes bad. And I've seen in some cases, or heard in some cases, where the switch breaks and a spring falls out and the car goes dead. All you need to do in this situation is you guys can pretty much just use a screwdriver and take that part out. Go to AutoZone or Advanced Auto. They'll have this part for the most part. They'll have this part in the store. It's a common part, and you guys could just swap it out and get on your way. It's not a big deal as far as fixes are concerned. It's not a big deal as these kind of situations are concerned. Easy fix for you guys. If you guys have a 5-speed manual Ford Focus or a Fiesta, check that out. Guys, if you guys put your key in ignition and try to start it, everything else works. You guys don't hear a click, it doesn't crank, it doesn't start. Quick fix for you guys. All right, I hope this has helped you guys out with your no crank, no start issue. If you guys have a 5-speed manual Ford Fiesta or Ford Focus, if you guys have any of your own personal experiences with this issue, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. It might help somebody else out. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up. All right guys, take care.